So, hello YouTubers. This is what today has been like. Listen. Watch them stop now. They've been tearing down the bridge on the other side of the road. So, Joe Kersey here on, oh, hello YouTubers. So, Joe Kersey here on June 7th, 2016 at, well, you saw the time here, just a little bit after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I last talked to you on Saturday the 4th. So on Sunday, I read in church, and that went fine. That was a 10:30 service. And essentially, then had to Skype with the good Tony from the UK. And at the end of that, toward the end of that, long toward the 5:30, 6 o'clock-ish in the afternoon, our time, Eastern time, our neighbor Liz came over and brought some food, and we sat and had she got to have a little chat with Tony, and then had some food. It was very nice. It was very gracious. You know, what a good soul Liz is. What a great neighbor. And Monday, I got a kind of an unexpected treat. My son Thomas came up, and we spent about 3 hours talking. And I guess, Carter, my grandson, is at one of these little day camp things. Where they teach him to swim, and they've got, of course, a swimming pool, obviously. And almost all of his little preschool and school buddies are going, from preschool, and then, now in the school he goes to or go to it. So he's got all his friends there he can horse around with and be with. And then every Friday they have a field trip somewhere. Last year, one of the places they went was to the Air Force Museum over in Dayton, Ohio. Well, actually, it's in Dayton. It's northwest side of Dayton, at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. So that's so Thomas is off for the summer now, and he had he interviewed for a job at the same school, a different position, but he made it clear he still wants to keep teaching, at least what would be considered half-time. But there were 4 other people that interviewed. The principal and the priest that runs the church had specifically asked him to interview for the job. So. Then later in the evening, around about 6:30, my daughter-in-law Kelly called and talked to me about some new sort of job situations and plans in her life that she's applying for. And we talked better part of an hour. It's always good to talk with Kelly. I really like her. She's a good soul. So here's today, the banging away out there on the other side of the road. I'm in here trying to catch up on YouTube. It's 63 degrees. it's for this time of year, it's quite cool, but very pleasant. So nobody's griping. I'm not griping anyway. So on that note, I'll say bye-bye, YouTubers. And now you can enjoy some rain from Saturday, the 4th. 6:25 on Saturday. June 4th, 2016. Oh, and I just got here just in time to see the rain lessen up. But Holden's got home and he says there's a whole bunch of ponding and things going on down in various areas. And there's the end of the driveway. We have a little river distal to our kind of speed bump in our driveway. So he's wiggling around here.